skills now. Aim lower.
You seeing that? RPGs.
Airstrike better.
Oh, it's not available?
There's already a helicopter.
Oh, okay.
You're gonna take down the helicopter.
Not my own, I mean. But, okay, so you can shoot grenade launchers like automatics, which is what you're seeing with all that smoke and shit. And this RPG's like automatics coming in. Somebody picked up my shit now. Look, see, they're doing the same thing I was doing. Damn. Now I can't even get started.
You gotta aim lower.
Oh, do I?
You gotta hit the ground right in front of them. You commit suicide?
Did I? Damn, I damn sure did, didn't I? It's too easy.
Where'd you go?
8 and 8.